Oh, hot. Let's have that off there. Look at that. That is amazing. Perfectly cooked boiled eggs. Just look at that. Get your soldiers and off you go. Oh, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make boiled eggs. Breakfast boiled eggs. Serve up with a bit of toast and soldiers, but you know, we're going to do it in the air fryer. I had a request, everybody keeps saying, how do you cook boiled eggs in the air fryer? Let's show you. Now it's quite simple really. Open the air fryer, put the eggs in the basket, hopefully they're not going to roll around too much. And then all we do, back in the air fryer, 120, 10 minutes. Okay, so temperature, knock it down to 120, time, 10 minutes. That's it. Now this is going to be the quickest video ever. We're going to serve it up with soldiers on toast, homemade butter. Start. See you in a minute, or 10 minutes. All ready now. Straightforward guys, get your eggs out, put it in an egg cup. So we want our eggs out of there. Oh, we're ready for this. Let's crack this egg open. Oh, on. Oh, hot. Let's have that off there. Look at that. That is amazing. Perfectly cooked boiled eggs. Just look at that. Get your soldiers and off you go. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh man. That. Oh. Oh, that is breakfast made. That is superb. Oh, just look at that. That is superb. And you don't forget, always get the egg out of the top. Oh. Oh, there we are. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video. Oh, perfect cooked eggs.